How to put caption using Snapchat. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So here is how you can put a caption on Snapchat very easily. First of all you have to do is open Snapchat on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside this Snapchat app, simply take a photo or record a video. Now, as soon as you capture it, all you have to do is tap on the blank space area on your screen. Once you tap on the blank space area, there will be a bar option available. Now here type your caption. You can write anything you want. And after typing, move it around by dragging, resize it by pinching it out with your two fingers, or you can also change the style. And when you're happy, send it to your friends or add it to your story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.